Welcome to Assembly's Intranet, the intranet your employees will actually use. With Assembly, you can bring all your employees together in a single place and simplify employee communication and productivity with forms, tasks, recognition, workflows, and a knowledge center. Easily integrate with a full suite of HRIS providers to seamlessly manage your employees by automating who joins and leaves your Assembly intranet. Keep everyone in the know by posting important company updates in the general newsfeed. Customize who can post, view, and comment on any update by going to the editor. Share important documents, media, links, and training materials and easily search for them in the Knowledge Center. Empower managers to succeed and create a safe space for direct reports to share progress and feedback with solutions like one-on-ones, manager feedback, career development, and self-evaluation surveys. Improve company morale with recognition, rewards, contests, and icebreakers. Offer a full rewards catalog with over 100 plus top retailer gift cards, charities, culture rewards, and swag. Try Assembly Intranet for free today to bring people, knowledge, and engagement together in one secure place.